been a while since you guys have had a staring contest with Mav. So, I'll leave you to it.
Okay. What's up, man? Why are you looking? Ah, dang, I lost. But why is he looking at me like that, though? Bro, why is he... Who taught him this? Mav, your nose is about to drip on me. You better not let it drip. Lick it, please. Mav, lick the nose, G. You won. Okay. Oh, you want to switch positions on your boy. You won. Okay, I'm restarting then. No, that's not gonna work. Okay, all right, you got me. All right, Mav, you got me.